Hello, I'm Ben Gray, and in this video here, we're gonna have a look at, Sound, Barrier, one of the new villains. His main weapons are the sound guns, and he has all the strengths of Ben 10 alien heroes and Nemetrix aliens, like wild bats, smelling and hearing, strength and durability, and forms his strength, durability, and enhanced leg strength. Grey Matter's intelligence, accelerates speed, upgrades intelligence of technology and technology merging with, and Diamond Head's crystallization, crystal manipulation, and aging immunity, and Reptiles' underwater breathing, Stinkfly's poisonous gas, and Ghost Freak's intangibility, He Blast's fire manipulation, Cannonbolt's durability, Wildfane's ability to merge with plant life, Upchuck's eating ability and laser vomit, Benwolf's stamina and howling and climbing, Ben Mummy's stretchable limbs and hollow body, Ben Victor's intelligence, strength, durability, technology manipulation, and electricity manipulation, and lightning generation. And, Waybig's cosmic rays, Ditto's self-duplication, Guy's 360-degree vision, Buzz Shock's, electricity manipulation, Spitter's slime spit, and Arctic Warner's frost breath, Swampfire's, flame-throwing ability and, plant control, Spider Monkey's web slinging, Jetway's Neuroshock lasers, Humongosaur's strength, durability, and ability to grow in size, Goop's shape-shifting, and Acid Hose, Echo, chamber, and wall, off, sound, and super, sonic, screams, and Chroma Stone's ultraviolet energy beams and durability, and Brainstorm's levitation and electricity manipulation and intelligence, Big Joe's ice breath and intangibility, Alien X's circle drawing, Lodestar's magnetism, Raph's strength and durability, and Shockwave's and Ultimate Swampfire's ability to throw bombs, Ultimate Spider Monkey's web spit, Ultimate Humongosaur's strength, durability, and missile launching, Ultimate Echo's sonic discs and sonic doom, Ultimate Cannonbolt's durability, Ultimate Big Chill's ice flames, Nanomech's shrinking and bioelectricity, Armodrillo's digging and strength, Energy's durability, radiation immunity, and intense heat generation, and nuclear energy beams, Amphibian's electricity manipulation, Water Hazard's water manipulation, Terraspin's wind manipulation, and magic immunity, Chameleon's camouflaging, and fast track speed, and eating ability, and lasers once he eats something, Shock Squatch's electricity manipulation and strength, durability, and lightning breath, Feedback's electricity manipulation, absorption, and redirection, Blox's regeneration and shapeshifting, and Gravitek's gravity manipulation, orbit, and space evade ability. And Ball Weevil's, spitting explosive / goo balls. And Crash Hopper's ability to jump long distances. Kicking Hook's kicking. Molstash's digging, pesky dust manipulation. Walker Trout's slippery skin layer. Worst's, durability. And Topic's hideous face, with ripping off his real face and slight projection. And Astrodactyl's, flight. And Ultimate Waybig's cosmic rays. And Clockwork's time strengths. And Jerry-Rix breaking, fixing, and modifying machinery. Ultimate Wild Match, strength, durability, and increased smelling and hearing. And now onto the Predators, like Craptorosa's fire immunity, enhanced strength, durability, and speed. Bug Lizard's, strength, durability, reflexes, agility, and fog. And Slamworm's, acid ball spit, Nucleator's sticky sacks, Pterorantulas, force field drawing, Pyranopede's weight, strength, durability, and shooting webs, and Hypnotic's hypnotism and intangibility, and Omnitrix's speed, and Face-to-Puss's strength, durability, and extended tentacles at the hand area. And he comes with his own strengths too. Like, he can create ultrasonic blasts of sound, and he can also manipulate sounds that are twice as loud as echo. And he can also come with sound punch. This is the ability to punch his hand to the ground, and sound can vibrate the ground so hard that his victims can fall to the ground. And for his weakness, he could have a iron armor structure. Or was it steel? Yeah, iron and steel can be magnetic. Yeah, and that is his weakness. And yeah, so he's afraid of magnets, even though he's got Lodestar's magnetism. Yeah, he's not afraid of Lodestar's magnetism, of course, but he's afraid of actual magnets, like Shore Horse, Bar, Wands, etc. And other than that, I am Ben James Gray, and I hope you like this dude here. See you in the next video.